Hi guys, let's learn protect, which is coming under the review tab. We are having three options over here: protect sheet, protect workbook and allow edit range. What does it means? The moment you click on protect sheet, actually it is meant for that you wanted to give a password to your whole sheet, and you do not want that user or to whomever you have given this file to edit in that, in terms of formula, in terms of formatting, anything. Let me show you an examples how you can create a password for the worksheet or for the sheet. Click on over here, give a password. Take an example, I am giving one. The moment you click on, it is always asking for re-enter the password to proceed. Again the same password what you said, need to enter and press OK. Now you have given the password. If someone wanted to edit this one, right, and try to click on, it is giving you might be requested to enter a password. If you have given this file, who is not having the password cannot edit anything over here. Okay, this is the first examples. Second examples, take an examples, you wanted to change something over here, and to whomever you give this file to change something else, right? The moment you click on, you can see nothing is activated over here in terms of alignment, font and anything. Now let me show you another examples. You can give few restrictions, or you can give few allow the user to change whatever the things you allow them. Take an example on protect sheet, again giving the password. Now I wanted to give the password, but at the same time I wanted to give few restriction to the user to edit it, right? Then protect sheet. The moment I am having this, yes, we are having the list of options what you wanted to allow the user to edit it, right? You can specify what the user can do it. So you are having list of options. Let me show you an example. Format cell, you wanted to allow the user to format the cell, right? Apart from this, the user cannot do anything. Only you have allowed to format the cell, remember. So in this way, whatever the option you wanted to give them, you need to click over here and give a password, and again it is asking for the same. Okay, right, it is ready. Now go to the home tab, you click on anything. Before this it was not activated, now it is activated. Take an example, I wanted to change the color of this, right? I can change the color because you have assigned the person or the user you are giving this file have the access of editing the formatting. But the moment you wanted to change something, it is not possible because you have not allowed the user to change or edit the data itself, right? You only allow to format the cell, right? So here also you are having the specifications. You to whom you are giving, what you are giving, you can specify what that person can do it. Okay, apart from this also you are having the second option, that is called protect workbook. It means you don't allow the user to moving the sheet or deleting or adding the sheet in this particular file, right? The moment you are using this option does not allow the user, whoever you have given this file, to delete the worksheet, moving the worksheet or adding the worksheet, right? For that you are using these options. Okay, let us unprotect this sheet. This is okay. Now let us understand the last one, that is called allow edit range. This is actually most of the cases, most of the user has been using all across world. This is excellent features available in this Microsoft Excel. Now let me show what it is. Okay, before I am using this formula or functions, let me brief little bit about this. Take an example, this is the mark sheet of the students. Here these are the subject names, has been given a code. Take an example 201, 202, like that. So though different teachers are teaching the different subjects, here you wanted to specify that which teacher can does the editing of this specific address or the data you have selected. Take an example for 201, allow edit range I have created. Then I need to click on new. First you need to select the data, and I am giving the title, that is, take an example F 201. F stand for food and beverage production, 201 is the code, and here refer to the cell where it is called data range. Now you are giving a password for this specific range. Take an example. I have given 1 1 2. Take an example. Okay, now again 1 2. Okay, right? So I have added a range. So let me make a new one, range 2. Again I need to write down S2 not 2, and the cell range would be this, right? Then the password would be, before this, if you remember, we have given 1 2. Let us give 3 and 4 now. Okay, and again 3 and 4. Okay, right? You have added different username for a different specific data range. Then click apply and OK. After you have given the range, then you need to click on protect it, give a password to 1. Take an examples, again 1, right? So it is almost ready. If after you are giving, if you share this file to all these people, those have been teaching in different subject like 201, 202, 203, and only this area, if anyone wanted to edit, should have the password for this data range. If you remember, we have given the password, that is 1 2 and OK. Now I can edit this one, right? The moment I click on over here and asking for the password, because here the data range is different with the different password, right? If I give the previous password 1 2, it would be showing me the password error, right? If the moment I click on, if you remember, we have given 3 4 and press OK. So now I can edit this, right? This is a very good features Excel is having, so that you can create the different data range with the different password and distribute the same file among with many people with their own password, right? So the person can enter to this worksheet with his or her password to edit that specific data range what you have selected for. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.